Hello everyone, in this video we'll be discussing about how can we delete data from database via query builder. So we are in our home controller. This is our code from previous video. We'll be removing those. Now, like similar way, we'll call db : then we have to pass our table name. The table name is post table. Then, like our previous video, we have to select a row before deleting it. So let's go to our DB manager. From here you can see we have two datas, and as I said before, we have to take any unique value to select a row. So we know id is unique. So let's say I want to delete this row. So for that I have to grab this id of this row. After that I will write where condition, where, then column name. The column name is id and the value is 58. Okay, then we can just call a delete method from query builder, and that gonna delete the row from database. Again, let's add a dd for better understanding. So let's go to our front end. From here let's reload our page. We're currently at the home route, right? It's showing success. Now let's go to the DB manager. Now I will be refreshing my database, and you can see the row has been deleted. Now let's try again. Instead of 58 we have now 59. So let's say we will delete 59, but another way. And now we will be removing the where condition. Instead of where condition, we can pass a id in our delete method. Okay, so if you want to delete this row which id is 59, we can directly pass id in our delete method. Okay, let's try. Now if I say 59, sorry, and go to my browser and refresh the page, you can see it's showing success again. Now I will go to my DB manager. From here I will be refreshing, and you can see our table is now empty. That's mean this method also works. So if you are deleting your row via id, you can just directly pass your id in the delete method. Otherwise you can go with the where condition. You can add a condition as you prefer, then grab that row, and then you can run delete method. That will delete the data from your database.